Happy Friday! Kumusta, kumusta? May kumusta ka dyan. Kapi-kapi guys. Kumakain na yung mga bata. After nila kumain, magbibihis na yan sila. And then ayusin yung buhok ni Ayla. Tapos ko na yung lunch nila guys. Nakalagay na sa bags. So we're good. Almost done? Huh?
It's almost Poppy's birthday.
It's almost Poppy's birthday.
He's turning 74.
He's turning 74. It's almost Lolo's birthday as well.
Almost turning 200.
Come on. She's gonna dance waka waka, guys. She will show daddy. Go! Waka waka. Oh, where are you going? Nandyan si daddy a-iron ng kanyang clothes. Huh? Go! Show daddy! Waka waka samina. Waka waka samina. Tanana Africa. Ay, sorry. Suska.
I got today. Mom's doing my hair. I have a ribbon and it says sign. It says sign. It says sign. It says sign. Sign.
Do you want me to put the ribbon again?
This is how
What
long
hairstyle, Bob? Do you want a braid? I can do a braid and then I can put the ribbon here
No.
and then braid down here.
No, I want a high pony.
Hi, pony.
It feels good.
Where's the hair tie you used yesterday?
Use yesterday.
Oh no, silly. Yeah, you will feel weird. Silly
No.
boys.
Why?
Not.
This is a miracle. A miracle. A miracle.
Looks like it's a nice day today, guys. Sunny. Sunny day. I'll pick you up, guys, okay?
Yay.
I am picking you up.
Mom, which one's better, this one?
We don't need that one unless you want a bun. Do you want a bun? Yes? Okay. This one? Doesn't matter, but you can choose whatever.
Okay.
I need one only for the bun.
I think this one's
Okay,
better.
that's perfect. Good
Because
choice.
that one, yeah, it looks like an egg, like Olive's head. Indy, this is your head.
Indeed. You have an egghead.
Indy, your head. Indy, you lost your head.
And you still want the ribbon?
Yep. Guys, this graph of it looks like an egg. It's 7:45.
Is it? Oh yeah. 7:45. You still have time to read.
Yeah. Guys, I know. It's really bad.
Ito na nga ang i-collect today, you guys.
Why
Yung pinakamalaki yung slide.
How did you find it?
Go, 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 go. Bye. See you later, guys. I'm picking them up? Yep.
How am I?
Yeah.
Dad.
tulog yung aking D. Maaga ko siya pinatulog guys kasi nga kami magpipick up sa mga bata today. Tulog siya mga 10:40. It is now 11:37. So kain tayo ng lunch. Tapos pagising niya mamaya, siya naman pakainin natin. It was too early for her to eat lunch. So hindi pa siya naka-lunch syempre. Kain tayo ng niluto kong paksiw kagabi. Salmon na paksiw. Paksiw na salmon sa gata. Ininit ko lang siya. Tapos nag-add ako guys ng 2 sili. So in-add ko siya nung iniinit ko na siya para may crunch pa din yung sili. Again, ito yung sili na binigay ni Madam. Madam, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I want a sili now in my backyard, guys. Gusto ko na ng sili. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Sili, kalamansi. Meron tayong kalamansi. Gusto ko i-add, my gosh, naglalaway ako. Gusto ko i-add sili na ganito, malalaki at saka maliliit na sili. Yung mga ganyan lang. Nakita ko kasi kay Madam na pwede pala na hindi siya makatake ng a lot of space. Parang pwede lang siya sa pot lang. Well, hers was not in the pot, but it didn't look that big. So feeling ko pwede lang siya sa pot, diba? I don't know. I need to look into that. Wala lang. Nakaka-happy lang yung sili. Kaya gusto ko ng sili. Sabaw. So good. Dinamihan ko yung sabaw kagabi. Gulay. Gusto ko maglinis ng bahay. Hindi naman kailangan maglinis ng bahay because bahay is clean. But gusto kong i-wipe yung mga windows. At saka yung sa shower siguro namin. I-wipe ko. Wala na pala kaming cleaner. Actually, matagal na kaming walang cleaner, guys. Hindi ko lang pa siya sinabi. Kasi may mga times na iniisip ko, kailangan ko ng cleaner. Alam mo yun? Parang, hindi pa siya naging official sa mind ko for a long time na wala na talaga kaming cleaner. Kasi nga, may mga times pa na sabihin nila, maghanap ka na ng cleaner or like, kunin mo ulit si kuya. Alam mo yun? Pero ngayon, feeling ko okay na talaga ako na wala na. Kasi next year, na si Arlo 5 days a week na si Arlo sa school. So yun yung ginawa ko talaga kasi yung cleaner namin para lang makatulong talaga weekly. So weekly deep clean. And it was very helpful. Sobrang laking tulong niya talaga. But I know na hindi ko nakakailanganin ng tulong kapag lumaki na yung mga bata. Alam ko na talaga yun. Napaaga lang talaga siya kasi stinap ko si kuya kailan. Before kami umalis ng Pinas last year. So matagal na talaga akong walang cleaner. And okay naman. Our house are always clean. Is it always tidy? No, but it's always clean. And ako lang yan. Ako at saka si Dan. Yeah, so feeling ko okay na ako ngayon. Hindi na kami maghahanap ng cleaner. Again, may mga times, lalo na nung bago pa, may mga times na sabi ni Dan, pabalikin mo na si kuya. Alam mo yun? Pero sabi ko, hindi, kaya ko yan. Kasi marami kasing mga linis na hindi ginagawa ng cleaner. Pwede naman nilang gawin, but it's gonna be an additional charge. Tapos, nung pina-additional ko kasi kay kuya yung paglinis ng oven namin, hindi ako ganun ka-satisfied. So, a lot of the deep clean, ako yung gumagawa. Like, yung sa exhaust, sa oven, and yung paglinis araw-araw, ako niyan guys. Kasi kahit na may cleaner kami weekly, naglilinis pa din ako araw-araw. Like, nagba-vacuum. Alam mo yun? I need to vacuum. Like, I vacuum multiple times a day. So, sanay na ako na naglilinis ako. Parang dinahan-dahan ko lang i-add yung mga deep clean na ginagawa ni kuya. So, nung una, inano ko siya, from weekly, ginawa ko siyang every fortnight na. So, once every 2 weeks. Para nga, tingnan ko kung kaya ko. And okay yung once every 2 weeks. So, sabi ko, okay na ako. So, sinabi ko na kay kuya na, try ko na kami na maglinis. Parang kaya ko na. Tapos sabi ni kuya, syempre, yeah. Tapos sabi niya, nandito lang ako, ganun. Tapos after nun, medyo nag-struggle na ako kasi parang nasanay na yung sistema ko na merong pumupunta nga lagi para mag-deep clean ng toilet. Tapos alam niyo ba yung Danny Boy ko, tinulungan niya ako, sabi niya, ako na lang maglilinis ng toilets. So siya guys, naglilinis ng toilets. Tapos ako sa iba. So si Dan ngayon naglilinis ng toilets namin. Yung deep clean ng toilets ha, siya yung gumagawa niyan.
So, tinutulungan niya pa ako. Oh my gosh, sa dami ng ginagawa ni Dan, na-insert niya pa yun yung paglilinis ng toilet. Kasi nga, sabi ko, hindi ko pwede siyang pabalikin na kailangan ko ng, wow, parang namang talagang ano. Sabi ko, kailangan ko ng tumayo sa sarili kong paa. Char. Kasi sabi ko, kung papabalikin ko siya, kailan ako masasanay, di ba? Kailangan ko sanayin yung sarili ko. But then again, may times na, my gosh, bakit mo ba siya pinastop? Hindi ka sana naglilinis ngayon. Pero again, it was a good decision ha, kasi ilang months na kaming walang cleaner, and para sa akin, okay na kami na walang cleaner. Kayang-kaya ko na. Oh, kayang-kaya ko na. Yeah, kayang-kaya ko na. Kasi mindset lang naman yan eh. Mindset, di ba, Day? Subo mo na ako. Dami mo ng chika, hindi ka nakasubo. Mm. Mm. That's good. Tapos yung satisfaction din na after mo linis ng bahay, parang ang ganda sa feeling. Kasi noon, after maglinis ni Kuya, aalis kami ng bahay, tapos maglilinis si Kuya. Pagbalik namin, wala palang 10 minutes, ang dumi na agad ng bahay. Parang feeling ko, ano ka ba, nagsasayang ka lang ng pera. Kasi may mga bata, so kahit na i-wipe to ni Kuya ng i-wipe, pagdating namin ni Dee, pagdating namin ni Arlo, hala, pak, yung mga kamay, nasa glass na naman, so parang, kaching. Pero again, yung malaking tulong is yung toilets, ganun. Kasi, hindi ko na kailangan maglinis ng toilet weekly nung time na yun. Kahit ngayon naman, kasi nga si Dan yung gumagawa. So, still good, right? Still very good. Lagay tayo guys ng sunscreen. Ito yung favorite ko lately. Yung Heimish na Artless Glow Tinted Sunscreen. I love this one. Ang ganda niya lang. This reminds me, kailangan ko palang i-place na yung order ko sa Yes Style. This is so good. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang ganda ng lapat niya sa skin, walang white cast. Yun lang, hindi ko sure kung may kulay ba to. Tingnan nga natin. Kasi wala siyang shade sa packaging niya. Tingnan ko kasi ang ganda niyan. Kung naghahanap kayo ng tinted sunscreen, that's really nice. Yung iba kasi, maputi talaga siya sa mukha ko. It doesn't have a shade. Yeah, wala siyang shade guys. I'll order that again. Meron silang twin pack. So sa Yes Style, tingnan nyo guys, meron silang mga twin pack na makakasave kayo kapag dalawa yung binili nyo. So usually nasa baba siya ng items. Like for example ito, scroll mo yan sa baba, ayan makikita mo yung twin pack na option. What's that? Ooh, pretty! It's only 112. Maglagay ba tayong I'm not gonna put that. Mag-ano lang tayo. Lip product. This is again my favorite. Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. Bare Grape yung shade.
What?
Is Daddy outside?
No.
Check. I can hear someone talking. Is it Daddy?
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Baka nasa labas si Daddy. Kahapon, ng mga hapon, nasa labas si Daddy. Tapos, biglang may appointment siya. Yeah, he is outside. Nasa labas nga talaga si Daddy. That's our Daddy. I knew it. Sabi niya ako magpipick up sa mga bata baka may appointment siya mamaya. Kahapon, ganito din yung nangyari. So after ng appointment niya, umuwi siya dito para mag-work sana ba. Tas hindi na siya nakapasok kasi he got stuck on call. Nandun lang siya sa labas hanggang sa umalis na siya. Tumawag na lang siya, nasabi niya nasa labas ako kanina, pero umalis na ako. You wanna go? Oh, Daddy's on the phone. He will come in when he's finished.
Yeah, we'll wait for him, okay? Alright, let's go. Wala na dito tayo. Wala, we don't need anything here. Let's go, we're done. Do you want perfume? Yeah. So pretty. Tingnan nyo yung daddy natin, guys. Naka-seatbelt na. Nasa loob na ng car niya. Paalis na yan. Aww. He didn't get to say hi to you, Baba. He's leaving again. Say bye, Daddy. He got stuck on call again.
Bye, Dala.
Aww.
Mom?
Phone, yeah.
Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy.
Mom?
Phone, yes. Harry?
Yeah, just finish off some stuff at Mango Road.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? What's wrong? Oi.
Oh no!
Oi.
Oh no!
Funny face. They didn't take this. Hard rubbish. Why don't they take this?
I know, yeah. Remember they didn't take the, You gonna tell the guys where you're going? Say, guys, I'm going to see Ate and Kuya. I'm gonna pick up Ate and Kuys. Oh, we're getting Indy ready. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Naiya. Maghahat daw siya eh. Yung hat nasa nasa car. Alright, come on. Wow! So pretty! Hold on. Oh, so pretty. Let me see. Oh! Alright, ready? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Tara sa car. Your hat is in the car, okay? Okay. Oh, hot today, you guys. Hot. Nagpalit ako kasi sabi ko mainit. Kaya lang, naglagay naman ako ng layer. Yung paborito natin from YesStyle. Pero short sleeve. Yung suot ko kasi kanina knitted, tapos tight pa. You ready? Let's go. Let's sing Indy. ¿Por qué? Play ¿Por qué?
Here's Pork by Malditter on Spotify.
Dito na kami guys sa school. Beep, beep. Ate, yeah, not yet, okay? We'll go pick up Arlo first. Ang aga pa. Meron akong dalang snacks. Do you want some snacks, di? Natuwa ako dito. Nakita ko to sa Welcome Asia. Guys, Clover chips. Oh, thank you, Indy. Thank you, baby. I love you. You want this? Yes, it's yummy, right? Yes, baby. Ganito lang siya kaliit, oh. Clover bits, guys. Ang sarap nito. Naalala ko, ang liit nito noon. Pahaba na mas maliit dito, syempre. Tag-piso lang. Naabutan nyo ba yung ganun kaliit? Ang cute. Tapos ngayon, ang laki na niya. You want some? Oh, one at a time. Yummy. Yum. Do you wanna sit here? Here. So the guys can see. Like that, okay? Where's your hand? Oh. Oh, it's so yummy! Oh! Okay. Yum? Where's your water? Drink lots of water after. Hala, ang bilis niya kumain, guys. Hala. Hala ni Gara. Hudo. Hugan. Yummy? So good, right? Ay, ang nakakatuwa naman yung weather. It is 20 degrees outside. What's the weather like tomorrow? Wala tayo tomorrow? Ah, hindi pala. Hindi na pala kami basta-basta nakakagala ng Sabado. Full na ang ating Sabado schedule. Mama, it says 90% chance of rain today. It did not rain at all. Oh my gosh, 100% chance of rain tomorrow. Good luck.
Mom,
Hey. Hey, Andy. Oh, no. Tsaka weather tomorrow. Ah, sorry. Hara sa day. Buyag sa mga mukhaon na yung organ. No more. Water. Water, be.
Mom,
Grabe ka naman. Water. Lots of water, please. More, 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 more. Good job. More, more. Good listening. More. Guys, anong oras na ba? Si 6 na ata, guys. Wala na. Yung last vlog natin, nasa school tayo ni Ayla. So, ang dami-dami nang nangyari. Dinner time, gusto kong i-try. Kasi hindi ko pa ito natatry. Ito yung mga meals na kinakain ni Dan. Yung itatry ko is yung chicken fettuccine carbonara. So, it looks like this. I-microwave mo lang to. How many minutes, Malap? So, hindi na ako naka-vlog kanina kasi nga naglinis nga ako. Nilinis ko lang yung unsweet namin, yung glass. Wipe. Tsaka dito, nilinis ko din. And then, na-vacuum din. So, yan. Gusto ko yung linisin, but no pressure. Kasi maganda maglinis kapag Friday kasi hindi kailangan matulog ng maaga. Like, no pressure nga. Kapag ito masarap, ako na talaga ang ito na din ang kakainin. Kasi maganda tong mga ganito eh. Calculated yung yung calories, tapos yung, alam mo yun, maganda tong ganito kapag nagda-diet. Kaya need, itong ganitong serving, okay na nga to sa akin. Hindi nga to konti. Tapos kay Dan, okay lang naman. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Kasi ito na lagi namin binibili para sa kanya eh. Kasi madami na yun para sa akin. Kung masarap, tayo na talaga ang makikisali kay Daddy. Matagal na siyang nag-order ng mga ganito. Never ko pang matry. Ngayon lang.
Yummy? I will. I get my dinner. Can I just swap your noses, Yaki? Better? Yeah, okay.
Uy. This is good.
Alright.
It's
cheese.
good.
You got cheese in the thing with the cheese on it.
Where's the cheese? Ah, our own cheese? Ah, wala na. Masisira na ang calorie nito. I like that. Mas lalo pa itong masarap. It will be even better.
What's that?
It will be even better with the cheese. Yeah. Guys, gawa tayo brownies! Tapos na mag-dinner ang lahat. Ang gusto namin mag-dessert ng brownies. Ito lang yung lagi kong ginagamit. So, kailangan mo lang ng 2 eggs. Half a cup of butter melted. Nasa microwave na. And then this. So, pinapa-preheat ko na din yung aming oven. Brownie mix, eggs, and butter. Yun lang. I-mix mo, tapos ilagay mo sa pan. That's all. Yung gusto kong ginagamit is yung triple chocolate fudge na brownies. Sarap po guys.
Nagpabili ako kay Dan ng ice cream kanina eh. So we have vanilla ice cream which is gonna be perfect for this.
Mommy, what do I do?
I need you to pour that in here.
Oh,
All of it. So
I-
two hands, careful, and be very careful. Good job, May.
The whole thing?
The whole thing, yes.
Gotta put it.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
is it good? And then we put eggs.
Mommy, you can do it.
Yeah,
It's hard for me. So
yeah.
you can do it.
One.
You can do, and then you can do another.
Uy, 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 uy.
Don't touch the egg.
Two. Don't touch the
Mama,
egg.
look at the pole.
Mm-hmm.
With
And then we need to put the butter in. Don't touch, okay? Don't touch.
my food. Mama, I said my food butt is from the baby. You my food. My food.
This should be half a cup.
I'm gonna pour it.
Oh, sorry. Go.
I can do all of this. Can I do all
Yes,
of it?
please.
Can I
Well done.
get some?
No, it's butter. It's not for drinking.
No, I don't. Oh, Mommy, no, it's butter, Mama.
Your turn. Okay, okay. In this
I
turn,
mix
wait. Let me make sure that we don't waste the butter. Wait. Tingnan mo tong dalawang to.
Mama,
Yes.
no. Mommy, have
Hindi. Give me that. Thank you.
can I make that?
Wait. Let me just mix the egg.
I got some fries.
Oh my gosh, Indy.
Mama, you like slime.
Yeah. Parang bad idea ata na nagpajamas na tayo da.
Mommy, you like poop.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the poop. Mommy, good making.
Thank you.
How did you make that?
I think it's too much butter. Wait a second.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. Because it looks so sticky still. And
Alright,
then we
you can
touch
mix. Well done, boys. Well done. And then, the next thing to do is to
Ending.
pour. Ganun lang kadali. And in how many minutes? I think in 20.
Can I
Oh,
pour? Have some pour?
you wanna pour?
Yeah, Mommy. Mommy, I can pour. Mommy, I
Okay.
can pour.
Brownies. Okay, all right. Let me do it.
I really need only one.
You wanna lick? No, it's got eggs. Raw eggs. Don't lick.
Mommy. Mommy, we're making a big giant one.
I know. Isn't that amazing?
It needs to be that big.
Yep.
It's actually being that big.
Mm-hmm.
We can, and then Mom,
Mm-hmm.
and then we starting to eat it, we can cut it.
Yep.
Because it's too giant and it's only for one people. There's only I
It
need,
is giant, isn't it?
yeah, we need to cover that thing. Maybe Mama, maybe let's do this. Two like this.
Wait, I need a spatula. Don't touch.
Let me try.
Mm-hmm.
Let me have a try.
Wait.
Oh, Mom,
Mm.
that's actually working.
It's working, yeah?
Mom, let me just put it in here.
There you go.
Good luck.
Well done.
Good
Thank
job,
you for
Mom.
helping me. Oh,
Yeah,
good
Mom,
job, you too,
guys,
Alo.
guys can help you.
Hoy! Ikaw ba? It's got raw eggs, Alo. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Why? What are you doing, May?
Yummy.
Alright, I need to put it. How many minutes ba? Let me see.
Ew.
What?
The hands. What's in my nose?
35 minutes? I don't do 35 minutes. Masyadong mahaba ang 35 minutes.
It's all finished. Mom, you got the wrong one.
What? Oh, no. I didn't get the wrong one. That's the one I used. Alright. Sige na. Go and wait. I'll clean up. Unless you want to clean up. That's a no. Sige, go.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today, my mom made brownie and I made brownie.
Who wants ice cream?
Me. I don't want ice cream on this.
Just that? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I want ice cream.
Alright.
We only want to eat. I got this doggy up the corner room. I want to eat some food.
This is yours, Alo.
I'm at the capital city of Italy.
What?
It's Rome.
It's what?
Rome?
Yeah. Ah, Rome. Yes, yes. Australia.
Yeah.
Canberra.
Oh.
On the table only, okay? Do you want a spoon, Alo?
Yes.
Alright, here. You sure you don't want ice cream, Alo?
I don't want ice cream because this tastes better. Try it.
Sit down. Is it yummy?
Yeah, but not hot.
Not hot? Yeah, ice cream, Ayla, yeah? Daddy, do you want some?
Yeah.
Guys,
This looks really good, the ice cream.
look at that. This is so good, I need to have it. Mom, this is so good, I need to have more ice cream.
What?
Mom, let me try. What about I do the ice cream and then you do the place on the ground?
Yummy? Oh, thumbs up. Good girl. Yummy?
So cute. Yummy.
Yummy in your tummy?
I don't know.
Never?
Yep, it's good.
Yeah.
I
Why are
tried
you
it.
just eating ice cream like that? Anna?
No, she's healthy.
You're peeling it now, yeah? You don't want ice cream anymore, Zala?
It tastes really good.
The ice cream tastes good or
Everything.
everything? There you go.
You want more? There's
No,
more.
that's
Yes, sir. So,
that is good.
hi, I'm the boss of the
Yeah, you
I want that big.
Got a big piece? I'll do. There you go. There you go. That's plenty now.
You sure you don't want ice cream, Kuya?
I'll do.
One of a tea. Sorry.
Bon appetit! Yes, well done, ate. I want ice cream, please. That's enough, thank you. Kain! Maganda dito kasi ano, medyo may pagka-gooey. So, looks. Ayan siya. It's nice. I never follow the instruction when it comes to the time. Kasi pag sinabing 35 minutes, masyadong dry na para sa amin. So, I always go 5 minutes less. Good, Daddy? Yummy? Yummy.